Sunday. Things are awfully quiet. Must be Easter Sunday. Select Harvest. I'm going to read you a very interesting can I found in the dumpster. Select Harvest 100% natural light soup vegetable beef with barley. There's lots to read on the label, so let's read it all. Ready to serve soup, no artificial ingredients, and only minimally processed. Now even better. Net weight 18.6 ounces, 1 pound 2.6 ounces, 527 grams. You'd think that soup would be sold by volume. Cooked with care in the USA, 33% fewer calories than a regular ready to serve soup. Expires December 15th, 2013. I wonder which plant it was manufactured in. Real ingredients for real taste. Excellent source of vitamin A, 0 grams trans fat per serving, no MSG added, except for the small amount naturally occurring in yeast extract and soy sauce. Real ingredients for real taste. Ingredients: water, beef stock, carrots, celery, beef, diced tomatoes, and tomato juice, tomato puree, which includes water, tomato paste, green beans, peas, toasted barley. Contains less than 2% of the following: lower sodium sea salt, natural sea salt, onions, garlic, cabbage, potato starch, onions, soy sauce, water, soybeans, salt, wheat, sugar, it's got gluten then, sugar, celery leaves, salt, xanthan gum, potassium chloride, maltodextrin, not mallow, maltodextrin, Chinese cabbage extract, yeast extract, natural Campbell, skipped a line, natural flavoring, locust bean gum, parsley, lactic acid, spice. So wait a second. Potassium chloride, maltodextrin, Chinese cabbage extract. It says minimally processed, but how do you extract Chinese cabbage from itself? Turn it inside out? Oh well. Campbell Soup Company, Camden, New Jersey. And here they've got a little blurb, which is what I found so interesting about this can of vegetable, beef, and barley light soup. Real ingredients are ingredients you understand in case you didn't know, and the printing gets smaller. Even smaller than the ingredients printing. There are many types of salt in food. Potassium chloride is just one type used to add flavor. Maltodextrin is a carbohydrate that comes from potato or cornstarch. Xanthan gum, spelled Xanthan, xanthan gum, sounds like Xanadu. Xanthan gum and locust bean gum are natural ingredients that provide texture, thick and rich. Lactic acid adds flavor to beef. Directions: do not add water. Stove, heat, stirring occasionally. Microwave, heat, covered in medium microwavable bowl or 2 individual microwavable bowls on high, 2.5 to 3 minutes. Careful. Leave in microwave 1 minute, then stir. Caution, metal edges are sharp. Visit our website, selectharvest.com. Clip and earn 5 points for your school. Well, I appreciate the detailed list of ingredients, well described. Total fat, 1 gram. Saturated fat, 0.5 grams. Trans fats, polyunsaturated fats. Cholesterol. Sodium, 650 milligrams in half a container. That means if you eat this whole thing, which is real easy because you don't have to add water, if you eat this whole thing, it's 1,300 milligrams of salt, which is 54% of the recommended daily allowance. And 1 can of soup, 2 servings. Dietary fiber, 2 grams, 8%, 16% if you drink the whole thing, which is from the veggies, which are cooked minimally. Dietary fiber, 2 grams, sugars, 5 grams, protein, 6 grams, the wind, moderate. Woo! Sorry about that. Baked oven fresh. We're not talking about pizza, we're talking about soup. Campbell's Select Harvest, 100% natural. Well, pretty close to natural, because it's got cabbage extract, Chinese cabbage, but it's not made in China. Caution, edges are sharp. Well, that's all I've got to say about Campbell's soup. close the lid if spot number 16 wasn't in the way. One day I've got to fix this. Nope. Can't close the lid. I think it's good soup, just a little bit too much sodium or sodium chloride. Thanks for watching. Ooh, what's this? Eggos, Nutri-Grain, low fat, 50% less fat than the average fat content of regular frozen waffles. Made with 8 grams of whole grain. Well, it's about time they left a coating on the grain. Water, enriched flour, wheat flour, niacin, riboflavin, wheat flour, wheat bran, eggs, sugar. Contains 2% less of the following: baking soda, sodium and aluminum phosphate, monocalcium phosphate, vegetable oil, soybean and palm oil, salt, non-fat milk, natural flavors, calcium carbonate, polyglycerol esters of fatty acid, malt flavoring, modified cornstarch, whey, soy lecithin, vitamin A palmitate, guar gum, reduced iron, niacinamide, pyridoxine hydrochloride, vitamin B6, thiamine hydrochloride, vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, calcium pantothenate, folic acid, vitamin B12. Contains wheat, eggs, milk, and soy ingredients. Whew! But it's good for you.